Hi everyone, good afternoon, happy weekend to everyone. This is Susan, Perfect Lovivan. Today is Saturday. We want to say thank you for all the people that have been subscribing to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate you. This is a case of people this is the first time of coming to our channel. This is Perfect Look Viva, a salon where we used to teach people how to weave, and where we used to mostly encourage mother how to weave. So today we have been doing a style that is called Ghana weaving galazi. So we have been doing it all the while. So as we are going to put it on the YouTube, we now said this will be very wise for us to show it to our viewers as well. So this is it, the way we used to weave it. You know, many people will say, how do you do it? This is the way we pick it, just like this. This is the way we pick it, just like this. This is how the weaving go. This tie, this is a very hard one. The hair is very many. Though it's Ghana weaving galazi. So when I finish this, I'm going to show you the style at the back, at the side, and the upper one that we used to call galazi. So that is it. This is just the weaving for those that are learning. Those are viewers that are learning. This is how we do the weaving. Just like this, you're going. We are weaving it because this is the length of the hair expression that was cut. This was just the hair expression that was cut. So we just weave it like this. This way. Okay. During the ending, for me to lock it, because the hair is very small, then I go with the twisting to close it up. I'll just twist it to lock it up at the finishing. This is it. So in times when we finish like this, we're going to trim the hair. We're going to trim it. For those that maybe they cut their hair is not very long, or probably the expression, because we used to draw expression. We used to work on expression as well before we start it. So this is it. This is why this hair is called galazi. This is the up here. We used to bring it this way, just like this. This is the up. We pack it this way. This is the galazi part of it. The galazi part of it, where we pack it like this. So this is the Ghana weaving, and this is the other Ghana weaving. This is the Ghana weaving. So these are the back. These are just the normal weaving at the back, of which you can make it one as well. The way you make this is called Ghana weaving galazi. Okay, so for those that are learning, that are trying to learn, you see the way I make the last one now. It's just the weaving. When you know how to weave, the rest are history. Then you can then begin to choose the style the way you want to your tent. So when you finish this, you just need to trim it. I thought I said that before. So you need to make a very good work on it. You need to trim it very well for you to be sure of a neat work, a work well done. So after this, we can now boil a hot water, a very hot water, a boiled one. We boil it, then we put the hair inside. When we put the hair inside, then the tip and the hair will now become more softer, because of this is expression, one of the best, the hair extension we have is very good. So when we put it inside hot water, the whole hair will be locked, so it cannot be loose, and nothing will happen to the hair till you decided to lose it. Nice coming your way today. Nice coming your way today. Thanks for all our subscribers. Thanks. As you watch, you are interested to learn, do learn. It's good for mothers. You cannot do all these styles like I used to stay before in the studio. You cannot do all these styles. You can do a lesser style. The important thing that you can weave. You just weave it. This is called Ghana weaving galazi. Thanks for coming your way till we see again. Bye. Happy weekend. Bye everyone.